What are the steps involved in sharing a public Kahoot game?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are diving into the world of Kahoot, the popular game-based learning platform that allows users to create and share their own quizzes. Specifically, we're going to guide you on how to share a public Kahoot game. Let's get started.
What is a public Kahoot game?
A public Kahoot game is a quiz that you've created and decided to share with the larger Kahoot community. This is an excellent way to engage with others, share your knowledge, and learn from the creativity of people around the world.
How to create a Kahoot game?
Before sharing, of course, you need to have a game to share. Here's a quick rundown of that process. 1. Log in to your Kahoot account. 2. Click on the Create button at the top of the page. 3. Add your questions, answers, and any images or videos you'd like to include. 4. Once you're happy with your quiz, click Done.
How to make your Kahoot game public?
Once your game is created, here's how you can share it with the world. 1. On your dashboard, go to My Kahoots. 2. Find the game you want to share and click on it. 3. On the game's details page, find the Visibility option. 4. Change the visibility to Public. Remember, making a game public means that anyone on Kahoot can access and play your game.
How to share your public Kahoot game?
Now that your game is public, it's time to share it. 1. Find your public game in the My Kahoots section. 2. Click on the game you want to share. 3. On the game's details page, find and click on the Share button. 4. A pop-up will appear with various sharing options like sharing via social media, email, or directly through a link. Choose your preferred method and start spreading the fun. And there you have it. Sharing a public Kahoot game is as simple as that. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now eager to start sharing your creativity and knowledge with the Kahoot community. Keep creating and keep sharing. Happy quizzing!